Hi, welcome to VANTALU.com. Today let's see of how to make Sorakaya Payasam. Ingredients required to make this are milk half liter, water 1 glass as shown, bottle gourd 200 grams, and then you'll have to slice or cut the bottle gourd as shown in this picture. Jaggery 100 grams, sago 4 tablespoons, rice flour 1 spoon, ghee 2 spoons, ilachi powder as shown, cashew nut 10 members. Take a vessel and water into it as shown and add the washed sago and boil them. After the sago is little boiled, add milk to it. As the milk gets heated, let's get into the other steps. Take a frying pan and add little ghee to it and heat the same. After the ghee is heated, add cashew nuts and roast the same. After they are roasted, take the roasted cashew nuts into a separate bowl. To the same frying pan now, add cut bottle gourd pieces and add ghee and boil them till the bottle gourd pieces become soft. After the pieces, which is the bottle gourd pieces, become soft, add jaggery and boil it on low flame for a period of 5 minutes so that the jaggery gets evenly spread and gets into the pieces of soft bottle gourd. Now the milk has boiled. To condense it further, add rice flour and mix it well. To the boiled milk, add boiled bottle gourd and mix it well. Add ilachi powder and stir it well, and then take it into a serving bowl, which shows us that Sorakaya Payasam is ready for you. Hope you enjoy making and also tasting it with you and your family members. And if you like it, request you to subscribe to this channel and also refer it to your friends. Have a great year ahead. Thank you.